Some other big news going on today. Today, the 2020 presidential campaign trail, it came to Memphis. Democratic candidate, businessman, and former New York City mayor Mike Bloomberg laid out his health care ideas to get more Americans and Tennesseans covered. Local 24 News reporter Brad Roders, well, he listened in, and he joins us live in the studio with what that plan entails. It's all new at 5. Break it down for us, Brad.
Continue, Mike Bloomberg made his first campaign visit in Tennessee today since the billionaire announced his self-funded campaign last month. After the presidential candidate detailed his health care proposal, those who filled Bloomberg's speaking space at the Benjamin Hook Central Library left with a range of reaction.
I think most of America is moderate. We just don't speak about it enough.
And that's why nurse Marsha Baskin left impressed after hearing Democratic presidential candidate Mike Bloomberg lay out his healthcare goals this afternoon at Memphis's Central Library.
I was waiting for the details, and he gave us some, and I like that.
The businessman and former New York City mayor said his healthcare plan would aggressively insure the millions of uninsured Americans by making enrollment to Medicare and Medicaid easier and bulking up what those federal programs currently offer.
We should expand Medicare to cover dental care as well as vision and hearing care and require that states cover dental care for people on Medicaid.
Bloomberg also promised additional funding and an increased focus on rural hospitals, which provides care to 1/3 of Tennesseans.
10 rural hospitals have closed in Tennessee since 2012, and another 15 could be at risk. That means people have to travel further for care, including emergency care.
Other medical professionals who listened to Bloomberg's ideas were less convinced.
Unfortunately, more incrementalism, more talk of healthcare access.
Dr. Michael Aziz wanted to hear Bloomberg be more bold and support Medicare for all, as some other Democratic presidential candidates support.
It guarantees universal coverage, which is the big problem of our time.
Now, Mike Bloomberg also claimed President Donald Trump committed a gross abuse of power and supported last night's successful House vote to impeach President Trump. Reporting live in the studio, Brad Broders, Local 24 News.
Brad,